What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Hanging with the Boys. Picking up the kids from school right now. Got some good dinner planned tonight. We'll talk about it in a sec. What's going on?
What's up, guys?
Come on. Roll. Alright, guys. We're back. We got a little bit of time to kill till we pick up AJ. He gets out of school a little bit later than Christian does. So we wanted to take this time to kind of apologize for the last couple videos. We weren't really sure where we wanted to go with the channel, what we wanted to film, what we didn't want to film, or just the type of content what we wanted to put out there. So with that, today we decided we wanted to do a cooking video. The boys love cooking, right? Yeah. I like to cook. By no means are we professional chefs or professional barbecuers. But we got a pretty good marinade recipe that we use for tri-tip. Today we're going to use it on a really cheap chuck roast. So you can normally pick up chuck roast on sale for $2.99 a pound. And we're going to make it taste like really good barbecue, even though it's a cheap cut of meat. So hope you like it. We'll try to share as many of the ingredients and how we cook it as possible in case you want to try it on your own. Let us know what you think. Let's go. Come on. Go use the bathroom. Come on. He's tired of being cooped up in the house. He's ready to get out. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Crazy man. Alright, so here's our arrangement of ingredients that we're going to use. That's a little bit of frozen garlic for our marinade. For the chuck roast, I use the same marinade for the tri-tip. Comes out pretty good. Alright, so you guys want to start by mincing the garlic, just a rough mince. Just going to add everything into the bag like a shake and bake. As far as the beer goes, if you guys are concerned with cooking with beer, it pretty much burns off all the alcohol when everything's cooked. You don't have to use it. I like to use an IPA. Gives it a little bit more hoppy flavor in there. So now we zip it up. Shake it up, make sure everything mixes properly. We're using a 1 gallon Ziploc freezer bag. Not that the freezer portion matters, but 1 gallon seems to do good for about 1 big tri-tip or 2 small ones for a good size chuck roast like what we got here. I want to say this one's maybe 2.5 pounds. I forgot. So now we want to taste it. On the bedding. Now we're going to put our meat in. Here, hold this, Chris. We freezer, vacuum freeze most of our meat because we try to buy in bulk. And it sure does keep this stuff fresh. We've been using the Food Saver probably about a month now. So when you zip it, you want to leave some air in there so you got room for the sauce to move around. And we pretty much just let it sit for a couple hours till we're ready to grill. You could leave it sit overnight if you're going to do that. Obviously you want to keep it in the fridge, but we're running short on time and we're hungry. So a couple hours should be good enough, and then we'll top it with the sauce after we cook the sauce down. Alright guys, we're going to cook it out here for about 30 minutes or so. So roughly it's about 140 degrees is the temperature we like our insides to be at. I'm going to go put this on the stove, get it cooking down since there's been raw meat in there, so we can pour it over the meat at that. Coming along smooth, just a little bit more. Alright, gotta let it rest for a couple minutes so all the juices don't squirt out as you're cutting it.